I'm rereading our article, The Yuckiest Food in the Amazon again, and I just love Mary Roach's writing. My wife writes this well too, and it's just so well done about her experience being in the Achura tribe and having to survive for 5 days as she's visiting John Patton, an anthropologist who's been studying this tribe. And in Ecuador, in this Amazon rainforest, we are getting to travel there too. You would find this on the map in the Amazon, a place that we'll probably never go to. And I wish I could visit this amazing place. She's writing about this tribe with such respect, and it's actually kind of making fun of herself to reveal this powerful theme told in the first paragraph. Let me show you some of my note-taking strategies. I like to chart out an article like this in a flow map so I know how to teach it, and I'll be using this on the board the next 2 days. I'm also noting information that I want to keep. There's a lot of background told to us in the third paragraph. In our class, learning target today is to practice paraphrasing versus quoting. And I'm just going to give you a golden line that we're going to practice analyzing. This is a line from the text in the fourth paragraph that is just quotable. It's golden because it's got so much to it, and the way she writes it has such style. She writes, I am fast coming up to understand that there is a huge difference, a vast yawning canyon of a difference between tasting something deeply unappealing and living on it. Now, this is a golden line because it captures such a key idea. This one we have to quote. She's got her style, her figurative language in there. And it's a shift in the structure of what's happening. Now, she discusses how this is a person who's traveled a lot. She's ate some of the grossest things you could ever taste in her travels and written about it. But this experience, when the knee of a rodent is floating in her soup, she's got to eat this. Why? Because she's going to be here for 5 days. And she even says, I'm not doing well on page 84. Now, all of this information, we really don't need to quote it. When we are young adults reading really challenging articles, often we quote things that we really should be paraphrasing. A line like, I'm here for 5 days, I'm not doing well, that first might seem kind of golden, but honestly, you don't need to quote it, you just need to paraphrase it. That's what we're going to practice today. All this information about the tribe and who she's visiting and the facts, this we can paraphrase. We don't need to quote it. And we're going to practice that in class today. Let's also look at the introduction.